Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to hard reset this device using buttons. So, important note before we start that hard reset erases all data on your device. That includes photos, contacts, applications, so basically all data. So please ensure that you know your Google account data, such as Google account email itself and of course password to it. So let's start hard resetting this device. The first step that you should do is completely turning off your device. To do that, you want to hold and press power button and volume up button simultaneously, and let's tap power off. So when your device is completely turned off, you want to enter recovery mode. To do that, again, press and hold power button and volume up buttons simultaneously. And when you see HONOR logo on your screen, you can release both buttons. So this is recovery mode menu. And from here you want to select clear data option. Then let's select factory reset. And your device will ask you to confirm that you really want to perform hard reset by typing the word yes using this on-screen keyboard. And now let's select factory reset option. So the process begins. You should wait. So when it says reset successful, you want to select back option, and let's select a restart to reboot your system. If you perform a hard reset for the first time, this first boot up significantly takes much more longer than usual, so do not worry. Just wait. And after your phone turns on, you can set up your device. Okay, so this is how you can perform hard reset on your HONOR Magic8 Pro device using buttons. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.